Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Roblox in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is earth plus wind to create dust, and then add earth to create planet, and then add fire to create sun. Once you have sun, add fire again to create solar, and then add planet again to create system, add fire again to create computer, and then add system again to create software, and then add earth to create game, and then add computer to create gamer. And then add earth right here, add water into it to create plant, and then you want to go for wind right here to create dandelion, and then you want to go for plant plus plant right here to create tree, combine it with dandelion to create wish, and then you want to go for tree with wish to create money, and then go for dandelion and then plant right here to create weed, and then dandelion to weed to create marijuana. Combine it with money to create business, and then add another business to create corporation. Combine it with gamer, you now have microtransaction. Add game to create pay to win. And then once you have pay to win, the next thing is you want to go for fire and water to create steam, and then go for fire to create engine, and then go for dust right here and another dust to create sand. Combine it with engine to create sandbox, and combine it with planet to create Minecraft. And then you want to combine this with pay to win, and then you would have Roblox. So that is basically it on how you do it.